Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock Facebook profile for public. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Facebook app and tap on your profile. Now tap on the three-dot menu next to the Add to Story section. Here, you will find the Lock Profile option. Tap on it and you will be taken to the Lock Profile page. Tap on the Lock Your Profile button to confirm. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.